Hello there, crypto-curious comrades. Welcome back to another thrilling episode of Crypto This Week. Welcome back to the channel. To the new guys, you are welcome also. Buckle up, because this week in crypto was like trying to explain Bitcoin to your grandpa, wild, unpredictable, and kinda hilarious. We had moments that left us scratching our heads and others that made us laugh out loud. We saw more peaks than a mountain range and more dips than a day at the beach with a metal detector. Prices soared to new heights and then plummeted just as quickly, leaving everyone on edge. But hey, that's crypto for you, right? It's a market where the only constant is change, and you never know what to expect next. It's the financial equivalent of a roller coaster designed by Elon Musk. Exhilarating, terrifying, and occasionally makes you want to throw up. One moment you're on top of the world, and the next, you're holding on for dear life. But fear not, dear reader, because I'm here to guide you through the chaotic, wonderful world of digital currencies. Together, we'll navigate the ups and downs, the twists and turns, and come out smarter on the other side. So, grab your mining helmets, adjust your virtual goggles, and let's dive into the madness that was this week in crypto. From market trends to major news, we've got it all covered just for you. First up, let's talk about the OG crypto, the big daddy, the one and only Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency that started it all and continues to be the benchmark for the entire market. This week, Bitcoin decided to play it cool, like that kid in school who never seems to study but still aces all the tests. It's got that effortless charm, doesn't it? It kind of just hung out around the $27,000 mark, give or take a few thousand. No major spikes, no dramatic drops, just steady as she goes. Hey, when you're the original cryptocurrency, you've earned the right to be a little boring. After all, stability can be a sign of strength in the volatile world of crypto. But don't let that fool you. Bitcoin is still the king of the crypto castle. It's the standard by which all other cryptocurrencies are measured. It's like the reliable old car you keep meaning to trade in but secretly love driving around town. It may not have all the latest bells and whistles, but it's dependable. It may not be the flashiest ride on the block, but it gets the job done. And sometimes that's exactly what you need, something you can count on, day in and day out. Now let's talk meme coins, because what's a crypto roundup without a healthy dose of internet-fueled insanity? Dogecoin, the OG meme coin, decided to have a bit of a resurgence this week, proving that sometimes all you need is a good dog meme and a few celebrity endorsements to send your value soaring, and where Dogecoin goes, Pepe the Frog isn't far behind. Pepe Coin, another meme-based cryptocurrency, also saw a decent jump this week, reminding us that in the world of crypto, absurdity is often rewarded. Who needs fundamentals when you have memes, right? Section 4, DeFi, decentralized finance, still kind of confusing. Alright, let's try to tackle the big, scary world of DeFi or decentralized finance, which is basically a fancy way of saying traditional finance but with extra steps and a lot more code. Imagine taking everything you know about banks, loans, and investments and then throwing it into a blender with a hefty dose of blockchain technology. This week, DeFi kept on DeFiing, with new protocols popping up faster than mushrooms after a rainstorm. Every day it seems like there's a new platform promising to revolutionize the way we handle money. We're talking lending platforms, decentralized exchanges, yield farming. It's enough to make your head spin faster than a Bitcoin miner on an energy drink bender. These platforms offer a myriad of ways to earn, trade, and invest, but they also come with their own set of risks and complexities. The good news? You don't really need to understand it all to appreciate the potential of DeFi. Even if the technical details are a bit over your head, the possibilities for financial innovation are truly exciting. Just think of it as the Wild West of finance, where anything is possible and you might just strike gold. The opportunities are vast, but so are the risks. Or, lose all your money. It's a gamble, folks. So, tread carefully, do your research, and maybe, just maybe, you'll come out on top in this brave new world of decentralized finance. Section 5, NFTs, Bored Apes, more like bored yawns. Remember NFTs, those digital collectibles that everyone and their grandma were buying last year? Yeah, about that. This week, the NFT market continued its descent into what can only be described as a digital ice age. Even the once mighty Bored Apes seem to be struggling to maintain their swagger. Look, I'm all for digital art and innovation, but when people are paying millions of dollars for JPEGs of monkeys, it's hard not to feel like the whole thing is a giant bubble just waiting to burst. But hey, maybe I'm just a grumpy old man who doesn't understand the value of a digital ape with laser eyes. Section 6, what's next? Stay tuned, crypto kids. So there you have it, another week in the wild, wacky world of crypto. What does the future hold for this volatile, unpredictable market? Who knows? That's the beauty of it, really. One thing's for sure, though, it's never boring. So stay tuned, crypto kids, and remember, invest responsibly, don't put all your eggs in one basket, and always take financial advice from a comedian with a healthy dose of skepticism. If you like the content till now, kindly hit that like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to get notified when next we make a post. Until next time, happy trading.